Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today I have for you an unboxing video and the box is quite large. The bag is not quite as large, but it is bigger than my typical size bag, I believe. And I'm so excited because I saw this bag on one of my fellow YouTubers' channels and it was on a tag video, my cheapest luxury handbag tag video by Super Jacob. And this gal did the tag and showed this as one of her cheapest luxury handbags. And I felt like I needed to have it. So what did I do? I contacted Kevin at the Longchamp outlet in Chicago and said, Kevin, can you work your magic fingers and find me this bag? And by golly, he did. He has his ways. So if you're ever looking for a bag that's hard to find, before you look too hard, you better contact Kevin. I'll put his contact information in the description box, as I usually do. And that way, if you're looking for something special, you'll know how to reach him. I'm going to set the box down so that I can easily pull out what is inside. But before I do, Kevin just messaged me and said he has this beige grained calfskin Longchamp extra small at his store. So if any of you are looking for this one's been kind of hard to find. I believe he can get it for you for 30% off, but call him to find out if you are interested. This is a gorgeous bag. It holds its structure, so you don't need an organizer or anything like that. And it's made out of calfskin leather. Okay, I'm getting excited. Here we go. This is going to be my third one of these pretty bags. Look at how gorgeous that is. Holy cow, and I even get a thank you note. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you for the thank you. Let's see what the thank you note says, and let's see if I can read it without my reading glasses. The thank you is my receipt, which is perfect because I need that. So let's pull this baby out of her beautiful packaging. I love these bags. These are the prettiest bags, and you know, I display them on the floor of my closet because I think they're so attractive. And I also use them as backdrops for pictures that I put on Instagram sometimes, or sometimes as my thumbnail. If you hadn't noticed, this is going to probably make an appearance as a thumbnail for this video. So without further ado, see, she's bigger than my typical Longchamp. I don't know if you guys have ever seen people making bags out of designer bags like Louis Vuitton or Chanel, and they'll cut up the bag and then they'll basically laminate it and they'll make it into a handbag, which I can't imagine doing, but someone mentioned that it might be kind of a cool thing to do to make it so where you could use it as a shopping tote. Kind of a unique DIY type project, but these bags, these are so pretty. I think you could almost do it with them. I really enjoy them. I put them right back in the corner behind me, and I probably need to find a new spot for them because they're starting to take up too much space there, but they're so pretty. Here we go. Longchamp, here you come to me. Come to mama. Ooh, what do you guys think? Oh my. Okay. So I don't think this bag is made of actual straw, kind of like my Horse and Jockey Saint Tropez bag. This is the Saint Tropez bag. This bag says it's made out of a straw-like material, but I believe when you look, it's made out of cotton. And let me look and see what else it's made out of. It may not say on the label. Well, it doesn't say on the label, and I have taken the little green label out of the inside of this one, but I know it's not actually made out of straw, but it really looks like it, doesn't it? All the prettiness of straw without the scratchy and itchiness. So this bag, this is called the Paille, and I may be pronouncing that wrong. It's P-A-I-L-L-E, and it has that same straw-like texture to it, but I think it's even a little bit more straw-like. And then it has the palest of pale gold hardware. So you could really get away with gold or silver, although I have silver on here, and you can see, you can tell with my silver up against it that it is a real pale gold. This ring has a very, very small rim of gold around the edge of the sapphires. And so you can tell that it matches. Ooh, I got a second dust bag. Thank you, Kevin. Very cool. That made sure that the bag came to me beautifully structured. So let's look and see what it's made out of. It is made out of synthetic trimmed in cowhide. And so this is not straw, it is synthetic. But the part up here, this is Russian cowhide, and it's just like the other Longchamp pliage bags where the back side is the suede-like material, which I think is actually just the back side of the leather. The inside is lined in this twill type fabric, and then it has this nice big zipper pocket. And the cool thing about this bag that makes it sort of unusual is it has these D-rings. And everybody that I've seen who's gotten one of these bags has said that it has not come with a strap. So I didn't anticipate that it would come with a strap. Kevin was going to double check and make sure of that. And if it does, then he would find me one. But I'm going to grab a chain strap and another strap that I have and give it a try. So as you all know, I come to the table with multiple strap options. And actually, I don't even think this is enough. I think I need more. So as you guys know, I come to the table with multiple strap options. The first strap I would like to try on with this beautiful bag is my Marc Jacobs webbing strap. You may or may not be able to find this strap at the outlet. That is where I found it, and they do ship for a fee of $8, and I believe the strap is $85. I put on this sort of nautical outfit again today. I've got some pants that have a nice slit up the sides, as well as a striped hoodie. I figured that would just set the bag off nicely, although with the black trim, maybe I should have chosen something with black on it. So option number one is this Marc Jacobs web strap, and I think it looks really nice with this bag. It's a really nice size bag, to be frank. And I like that you can carry it like I just showed you, or that you can carry it like this as a top handle. There's plenty of clearance for your arm to go through. Next, I've got the 25-inch, which is actually the 26.5-inch chunky chain. And this one you can get from Amazon for, I believe, around $17. I can link that in my box. I don't know if this will work or not. So it does work, but it's all up in my armpit. So I don't know that I would use this one. This may be truly a crossbody bag, or handheld, or crook of the arm. So I've got this strap. This is actually a Longchamp strap, but it is in smooth calf leather. And this came from my LGP embossed. Let me grab it. This strap came from this beautiful bag with the LGP embossed print on it. It basically says Longchamp kind of jumbled up, and it's got the real pale gold hardware as well. So the hardware matches, but the strap is smooth instead of being the Russian cowhide with the print in it. You can see that's got the print, and then this is smooth. But I think it still looks nice. So that's a really nice option. I don't mind that this is up in my boob space at all. It's a flexible handle, so it's not going to bother me there. And it keeps it from going down too far and being more prone to bumping into things. It kind of keeps it close to the chest, no pun intended. So that's a really good option as well. I really think I may be liking the webbing strap the best though. And the hardware on the Marc Jacobs straps, if you didn't know, it's a real pale gold too. So it's a pretty darn close match to the hardware on the Longchamp bags. My last option, and this is another Amazon chain, but rather than being by the brand Yi chain, which was the thicker chunky chain brand, this is by the brand XIAZW, which I don't even dare to pronounce. In all reality, I'm probably pronouncing most things wrong. I do give it the good old college try when I think I have a shot at it. I don't have a shot at pronouncing XIAZW right. There's no chance. So I really like this. This strap is just so comfortable. It's flat, so it doesn't dig, even though it's not a large strap. And the other nice thing about using a thin strap like this is that it's really lightweight, and you could just pop it inside the bag just pop it inside the bag like so. And then if you needed to have a hands-free moment, it's already in there and it's not really showing, just a little bit. But I really like this. I think it's very pretty. Thank you, Kevin, for tracking her down. Apparently she was, I believe, the last one available in the country. Although you never know, he might be able to work magic again. You could give him a try. And if not, he might be able to find you something you like even better. So I love it. And I'm making all sort of ASMR noises with the chain inside. So that was unintentional, but if you got excited, you're welcome. I think the Paille bag is a win for me. And if any of you know how to pronounce it and would like to let me know, I would appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'm Erin and I'm the Handbag Housewife. If you like to see videos like this on handbags as well as on fashion sometimes, that's a new thing for me, please give my video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring that bell. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.